Hello again. I hope you are enjoying your day and getting used to this new cold weather, which is here to stay, I think, and adjusting to the time change and all that stuff. I have to admit that the time seems to be moving slower. I'm sure it's all just in my mind. We did move the clocks back, but for some reason I feel like the time is actually moving slower too. I don't know if anyone else ever feels like that when we do the time changes. All right, so we're coming into the next module, module 5, and I just wanted to go over a few particulars. For this particular module, you'll be writing a mission statement. Let's go into the assignment. It's due 11/24, so we do have time. Let me just share the screen with you. And you're not writing a mission statement, so don't worry. But you're going to choose two companies and you're going to be comparing mission statements, okay? So you're going to choose two companies from the list below, and there's also a video here outlining specifically what you need to do with an example, walking you through it. So you'll choose two companies from the list below and write a short essay analyzing the two mission statements and of your companies by applying what you learned in this week's readings and videos in the read, watch, listen. So you'll have an introductory paragraph, introduce your reader to the topic and identify the company, each company you'll be discussing. There's an example here. And then, so this essay examines mission statements from company A and company B. Two supporting paragraphs each answers the question which mission statement works better. So don't forget to use your topic sentence for each paragraph stating your claim. For example, company B's mission statement provides more clarity of purpose, and then you'll go on to support that particular statement, okay? The next example provide at least, the next thing to do would be to provide at least 3 supporting sentences, which I just kind of said. So the supporting details supporting your topic sentence. Your concluding paragraph, now imagine you're the CEO for one of these companies and you must make a tough decision associated with your company. So you're going to begin with an introductory statement stating the company you choose and the tough decision you face. Provide supporting sentences explaining the mission statement. How the mission statement helps you align your tough decision with company goals with at least 2 supporting reasons. And these are the companies to choose from: Bristol Myers Squibb Company, FedEx, Ford Motor Company, and Harley Davidson. So you'll choose 2 of these that you want to use. And that is due November 24th. Okay, so what's also, so as you read about, you're going to be reading about mission statements. There's some articles on mission statements, value statements, and the difference between a vision statement and a mission statement. And you're going to be reading about APA and the importance of using in-text citations. And so it will be relevant to you, as you will need to include when you're talking about these 2 companies. If you use a quote from a mission statement, and then you're going to have to use in-text citation, the standard setup would be the author's last name and the year. In this case, it would be the organization. If it's just a website and there's no author, then you'd use the name of the company, and then the year, the last year should be on the website when it was last updated. So because as you know, mission statements sometimes do get updated and then republished. So it's really important to review. I suspect you're already familiar with APA and using it in papers at this point in your educational career, but I think that you should definitely review it just to make sure that you're understanding. Again, you're just choosing 2 to compare. And then, so that's that. So what's going to happen too is you're also going to, I'll go to the next page here. As you look, this is the final project, which I think I did touch on it a bit, where you're going to be comparing 2 annual reports. In this particular module, you'll also be introduced to, you'll read a little bit about the concepts in an annual report and how it's set up. what, its purpose, etc. But for the final project, it will be written and a visual with a voiceover in it, a presentation. So this is just this isn't due now. The final project and the visual are due on December 15th. So the end. But what I want you to do is review what you need to do, and you're obviously going to be submitting a draft. So the idea to submit to me a draft, because you have to assume that there's going to be some improvements you can make. So make sure you allow yourself enough time and me enough time so that I can get the give you some feedback sooner rather than later, right? So here it just goes over the particulars, what you need to include in it. Again, there's a very thorough video and walking you through exactly with an example of how to do it. So again, that's not due. The final comparison paper on the annual report is not due until December 15th. And along with the visual. So I don't want you to get confused by that. All right. I think that's it for that. What else did I want to say? Anything else? I think that's about it. I just wanted to give you an overview of what's coming up, what you will have to submit for this module. And that's it. If you have any questions or concerns, or you're confused about something you need clarification, again, I'm here for you. Just you can email me. If you wanted to meet one-on-one, we could talk about an assignment or something that's confusing you. I'm still grading. I should be caught up, I'd say, in the next couple days or so. So I know I saw a few assignments have come in. I just noticed, so I'm going to try to get to those either today or tomorrow. And I think that's it. So again, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.